everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my okra soup. This is gonna be a very detailed video, so make sure you watch till the end. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. So to start with the okra soup, I'll first prep all the ingredients. I started by boiling the meat. Here I've added chopped onion, Knorr seasoning cube, a pinch of salt and scotch bonnet pepper. I added a little bit of water. Give this a gentle mix and I'll cover and allow this to steam for 5 to 10 minutes. In another pot, I have shaki and bonnet already seasoned. I'll add water, cover and allow this to cook for about 30 minutes. While the meat is still cooking, I'll go ahead and prepare the other ingredients for the soup. Here I have smoked catfish. I added hot water to it, allow it to soak for 2 minutes, turn out the water and debone the catfish. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking to watch today's recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn your bell notification on so you'll be among the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch. After deboning the fish, I'll proceed to prepare the okra, which is the main ingredient for the soup. To taste if your okra is still fresh, you can snap it off at the tip. If it snaps easily, it means the okra is still fresh. But if it doesn't snap but bend, then it's most likely shrinked and bad. Next, I'm going to go ahead and chop the okra. You can chop it up like this or you can use a food processor. It depends on the texture you want for your soup. Food processor helps to save time, but personally I prefer to chop it with the regular chopping board because I like my okra to be a bit crunchy. Next, I'll transfer some of the okra to a bowl and I'll add a little bit of water. Just very little. You don't need too much, okay? After that, I'll massage the okra with my hands until it comes together. I usually do this to achieve that slimy consistency that you want your okra soup to have. But you can skip this step if you don't like your okra to draw. After about 10 minutes, the meat should be half cooked. I'll add more water to this, cover it again and allow to cook until soft. After some minutes, the meat is fully cooked. Now, I will combine all the components of the soup. So, I've added the boiled shaki and bonnet. I've also added the washed dry fish, pepper mix and palm oil. I'll give this a good mix to incorporate. You can taste and adjust seasoning too. At this point, the soup is almost ready. So, I'll go ahead and add the last few ingredients. Here, I've added the ogiri, extra seasoning cube, stir well to combine, cover and bring to a boil. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add the slimy okra. Okra doesn't take too long to cook, which is why you need to make sure the soup is at least 80% cooked before adding, so I'll just give this a good mix until it is fully incorporated. I'll go ahead and add the chopped okra. Mix this well to combine and allow to cook for 2 minutes. Then I'll add some fresh onions, blended crayfish, and I'll give this a gentle mix. And finally, I'll add a handful of deshelled periwinkles and some Uziza leaves. The periwinkle cooks super fast, so you want to add it at the last minute. This will take about 5 minutes to cook fully, so just leave the soup to simmer for about 5 minutes. And our soup is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching my okra soup recipe. Thank you for your support and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.